Hey, Coach Greg here. Welcome back, my friend. Today we have a cardio and core seated workout. This is gonna be fun, it's gonna be fast. So grab some water, take a seat, and let's get it. All right, so we got 4 exercises coming your way. They're gonna be 30 seconds each. So let's start with our first. We have some knee lifts. So take your seat of choice, put your feet out or extend your legs out in front of you. And we're just gonna alternate between bringing our knee, try to get it as close to our chest as we can. Here we go, 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Hold on to the bench or chair or stool or couch, whatever it is, if you need. I'm just slightly bending or leaning backwards, just trying to bring that knee as close as I can. This is like almost, I mean, it is essentially a crunch, but try to get your legs to do the work, right? We want our hip flexor, everything down here. This is working on our lower abs. So don't try to like crunch over as much. Let your legs do the work. They're strong. There it is. Keep it going. Breathe, 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we're gonna focus on our obliques. We have some side twists. So sit up nice and tall, feet flat on the ground. Core is tight. We are just gonna focus on twisting from side to side. You can do elbows up like I am, like this, or you can do arms out, palms up, whichever variation works for you. Or you can even just stay here, you know, whatever you want. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I just like the elbow variation because it gives me a target to aim for. I'm trying to get my elbow as far back as I can. Now just like the first exercise, our lower body was doing the work, now we want our upper body to mainly moving. We don't want our lower body moving with us. Put your obliques to work and breathe. There it is, keep it going. Get a nice cadence going, you know. We can start off slow, but then let's speed it up just a tad. There it is. 3, 2, 1, and down. Alrighty, third exercise, we have some marches. Here we go, same position as our side twist, but now we're just bringing our knee up, which is similar, it's similar but different to the first exercise we did. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We are marching. There it is. This one is low impact on our body, so you can go a little faster. The second your foot touches the ground, boom, drive it right back up. Don't lean back with it. Try to stay as upright as you can, like turning from the side here. As you can see, my back is flat. Boom, just bringing those knees up. You're doing amazing. There it is. 3, 2, 1, and down. Last exercise. We're gonna give our legs a break and we're gonna do some arm circles, which seems like, what does that have to do with cardio and core? Because we are getting our blood moving throughout our whole body. And think and engage your core through this process. So sit up nice and tall, push the ground away with your feet, arms out to your side. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Let's get these arm circles. Actually, I can feel it in my abs right now. There it is. We're gonna go forward with these. You can do small, medium, large, whatever you want, like pizza. We switch in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go backwards now. Again, push the ground away with your feet, brace your core. Reach as far to the side as you can with your arms. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. That is your seated exercise, cardio and core. We have 2 more sets to go. Let's get it. Set number 2 starts now. Knee lift, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, 2, 1, down. Side twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Marches, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Arm circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, down. There you have it. Second set is done. Grab some water like always if you need. You can start and stop as often as you need. But for those of you who are ready, we are going to jump right into set number 3. Let's finish strong. We already came this far. We didn't come this far just to come this far. Insert motivational quote here. All right, let's get it. You ready? I am.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, 2, 1, down. Side twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Marches, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Arm circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, down. And there you have it. That was your cardio and core workout. I feel good. I feel great. Hopefully you do too. If you like these type of workouts, as you can see, they make you delirious at the end of it because you get all sweaty. You get that little high from all the endorphins, all the dopamine hitting your brain because you just moved your body. And if you haven't already, give yourself one of these and one of these, because you earned it, my friend. And check out the many plethora of the numerous videos on our YouTube channel. We have so many more coming your way. So if there's certain things, not body groups, muscle groups or exercises or things that you want videos made for, let us know and we will do our best to accommodate you. But without further ado, I will see you later, my friend. Peace, stay strong. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.